Buying tomatoes always steps on the pit. Looking bright red. Go home and cut the hollow, it's astringent, no tomato flavor. Most of them have bought hormones to ripen. Don't listen to the merchant's deception. Actual top dot. This little discrimination mechanism. Distinguish between ripe tomatoes and naturally ripe tomatoes at a glance. Hello, I'm Leal's mother. Not much to say. Look directly at the method. Method 1. Look at the little dots on top of the tomatoes. Naturally ripe tomatoes. The growth cycle is sufficient. Sufficient nutrient precipitation. It must have sunken slightly inward at the top. The lines are round and flat. The pulp of this fruit grows evenly. Mature together inside and out. The juice is high in sweetness. Tomato flavor is very strong. Reverse. As long as you see the top of the tomato bulging, with small tips and bulging hard, it's basically ripened with bulking hormone. Hormones force the fruit to grow. The outer skin looks plump and beautiful. Internal development can't keep up. 9 times out of 10, hollow, dry and tasteless. Don't buy it no matter how cheap it is. Method 2. Look at the overall peel color. Distinguish between natural ripening and ripening. Real natural ripe tomatoes. The color is particularly gentle and attractive. It's an even pink. Red medium powder. Transparent powder. The color transition is particularly natural. This is naturally cooked in the sun. Fruity. Authentic taste. And the red is too bright. Epidermis reflective shiny red harsh tomatoes. Everyone must avoid. This is artificially ripened. Only the epidermis was colored. The pulp and fruit inside are basically not ripe. Look at the red. Tastes hard and sour. It's not as sweet as the tomatoes themselves. Method 3. Veterans of grocery shopping know this hidden technique. Look at the butt leaves. Count the leaves of the tomato pedicle when purchasing. 6-leaf tomato represents flowering and pollination is particularly complete. The growth process is particularly healthy. Enough nutrient accumulation. Thick pulp. Juicy. Whether eaten raw. Scrambled eggs with cold tomatoes or soup. The taste is very good. And 5-leaf tomatoes. Most pollination is incomplete. Insufficient growth and development. Fruit is congenitally deficient. The overall pulp is thin. Less juice. There is still a certain difference in taste. Method 4. Pick tomatoes, don't just look at their appearance. Be sure to pinch it lightly. Good tomatoes that ripen naturally. It feels slightly soft and elastic. You can bounce back with a light press. It doesn't collapse. Moderate softness and hardness. This means the fruit is fully ripe. The internal pulp is soft and waxy. Juicy, sand will come out as soon as you fry it. If you pinch it up, the whole process is hard and heavy. No elasticity at all. Never buy. This kind is forcibly ripened by picking in advance. The fruit has not yet fully ripened naturally. It's still hard to leave it at home for 3 or 4 days. Can't fry juice. Can't cook. Very affect the taste. Method 5. Look at the overall fruit shape. Naturally grown, normally pollinated, high-quality tomatoes. The whole fruit shape is very round and smooth. Smooth lines. The whole body is flat and full, without any bumps and edges. The flesh of this tomato is firm and not hollow. Super juicy. It is 100% high-quality good fruit. Anytime you see a tomato with a sharp edge, uneven, crooked shape, must avoid. Usually 2 cases. The first type is mispollination, growth deformity, fruit dysplasia, large area hollow inside. The pulp is shriveled, little juice, tastes bland and tasteless. The second type is treated with bulking hormone, forcibly urge. Typical feature is the top bulge, body length edges and corners, severe hollowing after incision. The fruit is white and immature. The entrance is astringent and sour. Almost no tomato aroma. They taste terrible. Today's tomato mixing tips are over. These 5 tips are all particularly practical for shopping for dry goods. Learn to pick and mature naturally every time. Juicy good tomatoes. Friends who think this method is practical, quickly like, collect and forward. You can use it to buy food and cook at home. Follow me and share with you more shopping and pit avoidance every day. Home life tips. See you next time.